Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to clear all app data and cache on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the App Store. Now from here, as you can see over here at the top, we have a profile icon over here on the right side. So what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on this. Now from here we have to scroll it down a little bit. And you can see we have an option here called personalized recommendations. Tap on this. Now from here we have called clear app usage data. Tap on this. It says clearing will only remove app usage data used for the personalization on device. You need to tap on the clear app usage data here. Once you're done with this one, that is the first and famous step. So right now, apart from this, we have one more step, that is all about if you wanted to do it for a particular app, this is what we have to do. All we have to do is just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. From here we need to tap on the iPhone storage. Now from here what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and select the app that you wanted to do it. For example, if I want to do it for Instagram, all I need to do is, or I want to do it for Among Us for example, just tap on this one. And we have an option here called offload app. So what you need to do is you have to tap on offload app and just go for offload app here. So as you can see, it will be done. And once done, we need to reinstall the app so you can use it. And this is what we have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.